mountain. Ooh. And then Radha, I like Radha. She said, "Oh, someone help him to hold." So other villagers bring the stick. They brought some sticks, and they were helping Krishna.
Yeah.
And then he did. Then after the storm, he made everything. The trees fall down on the ground. So they automatically, when he's, I don't know what he did, like this, then automatically the village was looking beautiful. Then he can do that.
Did you see when he was holding the mountain on his finger? Did you see that?
Like this.
Yes. Yes.
And sir, what can your superhero do?
Oh, my superhero, Superman.
Yes.
Okay. What he does is that he can fly.
Only flying. I have seen. Seen his stories.
Yeah, he can fly, and he can. He's very powerful. He's very, very strong.
I know that.
Yeah. And he uses his powers to help people. He flies around all around the world. He flies and he helps people. Have you seen the movie Superman?
Not movie. I don't like.
You don't watch movies? Okay. Okay. And tell me about Ganesh. Have you seen Ganesh? Your sister watches Ganesh, right?
Yes, but why? Whenever I'm watching Krishna in the mobile, she will come and take the mobile.
Okay.
Snatch it from me, and she will put Ganesha story.
Okay, so have you watched Ganesha also with your sister?
Yes, sometimes I do watch.
Okay, so do you like Ganesha also?
Little, but I like his festival, Ganesh Chaturthi. We make laddus and I like eating.
Okay. Okay, so does Ganesha also have superpowers?
Yes, he has.
What superpowers does he have?
When Parvati Mata made him, so what? She gave him so many powers.
Powers.
And then God Bholenath came and he said, "I want to meet my wife." So he said, no, you can't. So then they both were fighting. No one can fight with Lord Shiva because he's the very strongest God.
Yes.
And everyone had to listen to him.
Yes.
So he didn't did anything. He was just fighting.
Yes. And then what happened?
At that time, the Bholenath was so angry. Then other gods came. So then he calmed down and then he went to his place. Then again he came and then he took his stick and then threw it at him.
And then what happened?
Hello, sir?
Yes. Can you hear me? Yeah, he threw his stick and then what happened to become?
Then Parvati Mata said, "Oh no, what is that noise?" She came